Alright everybody, Nerby Goshi bringing you guys another rust triangle honeycomb use tip. So if you're building your honeycomb and you want it to be usable, one of the things that is needed in every base, if you built this with twig anyway, is furnaces. So your furnace room, how can you get 3 furnaces into a triangle? Well, that's easy. How can you get it into a honeycomb triangle? A little bit different. So you have to squat and go as far deep into the corner as possible. This has to be twig. Make sure you back it back into that corner as far as possible. If this ain't twig, it ain't going to work. Then you rotate, stand to the left. Then you rotate, stand to the right. And this last one looks like it ain't going to fit, but it does go. Then you can upgrade. So having this bar here allows this to be honeycombed. It's where now if they break these walls, they still got to break down this bar in order to get into the base. So, usable honeycomb, 3 furnaces, able to be automated, come out the window, and you have usable honeycomb, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.